Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to activate or most likely deactivate the hourly beep on your Casio A164W. So you might see that there is going to be a small icon right here with a bell that is going to signal the fact that the hourly beep is on. And this means that every full hour your Casio watch is going to beep. Most of you most likely are going to want to have that function off. So what we want to do is to press the mode button and arrive at the alarm settings. Here I'm going to press the button on the right. Here you can see that both the hourly beep and the alarm are now on. Now both of them are deactivated. Here we have the alarm on, the hourly beep on, both features are on, and now both are off. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the mode button, and now you can see that nothing appears on the top left corner, so this means that both functions are deactivated. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, how to set the time and date, how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, how to also set the alarm, how to use the stopwatch, I'm going to leave a full guide link in the description box below. I'm also going to post a short video on how to adjust the mesh bracelet and also a full guide on how to replace the watch battery, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.